We got here around 7:15 to set up registration, and now we are here waiting for everyone to come in and register.
Hi, welcome to Bucknell. Hi.
Hi. It's gonna be a good day.
Students here from 24 different states and 4 different countries today.
I'm here visiting Bucknell from Baltimore, Maryland.
Cumberland, Maine.
Mahwah, New Jersey.
I will be talking about college admissions, putting it in perspective. You know, there's a right college for everybody.
How many are sophomores?
I'm about to head into the Y Center for the Performing Arts to give my presentation on Bucknell and our admissions process.
Good morning, everyone. You're going to be interacting with a lot of our current students, a lot of our faculty, and I think they can tell you the story of Bucknell through their experiences.
So we just got some signs, some signage, you know, for the tours that are going off.
We're on a residential hall tour right now.
I get the pleasure of telling them all about our programs that we offer in the Division of the Natural Sciences and Mathematics.
We have some of the best food ever at Bucknell. We can vouch for that.
I would say it was a successful open house. Everyone left with a smile, and that's always a good sign.
All right, we're done.
Nice to see you again. Safe travels. Thank you.